You're right, I don't trust you.
What is this plane?
I call it PT40. I don't know if that's what it is or not. It's that one Bob had.
Oh, okay. One of the guys watching one of our videos was complimenting us on our field. He liked our flying field. Yeah, well, it's okay. Yep. Don't have to worry about anybody complaining. There's no neighbors. Whoa! There we are. Well, it's not in pieces, but it is in two pieces. Not much, but it's that way. There it is. You can glue it back on. Okay, another flight next in a little bit. After he fixes it. After he screws it back together. Oh, we're not ready yet. PT19 is repaired again. And it's in the air. And it's not broken. Yep, I look like it stalled out.